Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the glorious Pacific Northwest in that wonderful little town of Belfair, Washington, or Hickville, USA, as I love to call where I live. So welcome to my channel, everybody. So this is December 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 19, everybody. Yes, 19. I'm not sure how far we're going to get in this kit. We're definitely going to hit the 20 somethings. I'm thinking maybe 25, 28 around there. I still have quite a few things left in my kit. So we'll just see where we're going to get there. But I'm glad to know I'm going to hit it. I know at least 25. So this kit is called Watercolor in Blue, December 2025's kit. You could have made 9 cards, 3, 3, and 3. I have already successfully doubled my cards. I am so excited to be over that. Now, I probably could have done even more than that if I would have cut these card bases. If I half the card bases and then half them again and did a lot of little note cards. However, that's not what has come to me, and that's just not what's happened. I've done a few note cards, but a lot of these have been full-size cards this month. So with that being said, let's turn it over. And on the back, as always, this QR code would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it is designed, a visual of everything that comes in the kit. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. Videos 1 through 5, I always share with you everything that comes in the kit. After that, we just kind of mosey along, right? So this one down here would have led you to this set of 6 dies called the Abundant Joy dies. They will coordinate with October, November, and December's Paper Pumpkin kit. The new set of add-on dies are out and available. They're called the Beautiful Bloom dies. They will coordinate with January, February, and March of 2026 Paper Pumpkin. So the stamps, the dies are beautiful, the rectangle and the tulips. So this is what you could make with them. Feel free to use them for anything and everything your heart desires, as you know I sure do. So the stamps are, dear friend, thank you. The little things you do for me mean so much. You make me feel loved so much. Miss you. And the 4 images. And little TT is just tapping around all over there. So, you know, yes, you know what I'm doing. I'm going to do my own thing and I'm bringing in something. So, found this at a Goodwill. Sorry, I didn't realize there was the person who originally owned this on here. I wonder if I can get that off. I didn't know her label was on here. I might have to, yeah, we're going to have to just like cover that up. Anyways, this set is called Lots of Love. And I pulled this off the shelf when I got the Beauty of Friendship off the shelf, and I paid $3.99 for it. It was 30% off because it was Green Tag Day, and it's a green tag, as you can see. Anyways, we're going to be using this Sending Lots of Love is what I thought. Now, this is one of those older ones. I don't need that. I don't like that on there. This is, yeah, they're cling ones that didn't cling. That's what we got here. We got a cling stamp that doesn't cling. It is red rubber. So we're going to be using Sending Lots of Love. Consider Yourself Hugged. I really like that. And I'm not sure about that one. Maybe this one, the little leaves. I'm not sure about the heart, but I'm thinking those are the ones that we use. So with that being said, I'm going to set that aside. I have a card base. We're going to be using, I think, my Stamparatus for this one. I do have an idea. I do. Let's see. I get it. So I have a card base, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4, and then I have layer number 1 already done. So this is 4 1/4 by 5.5. That's layer number 1. We're going to be using the front of the envelope. So we need to cut this open, and we're going to be using the back of the envelope, or maybe not. I already have a little circle. We'll have to see. Anyways, whatever we cut off of this envelope, we're going to put in the box of goodies. So flap off. We're going to cut this here. Open it up. Trim the sides off. Open it up. And cut the back off of it. Now, I don't want to cut anything else off of this. Those little bits, the little hairs can go away. This we can keep. This, I don't want to cut it down just yet. No, I'm going to definitely go this way. I want to stamp the Sending Love kind of over here, and then I would like to do, maybe we'll bring it down further. I thought we could do Consider Yourself Hug in a circle, and then maybe do some leaves here. But this does look, oh, we might do that. We'll just do, we're going to do that. We're going to do that maybe on the envelope. Sending lots of love. I just like it. I just thought, and this came to me, I was supposed to go inside, but I can't. You guys know me. Something comes to mind. I've got to figure it out. So I want to put that in the center. So I'm going to use my Stamparatus. I know you guys are like, boy, this is the most I've ever seen her use it. And that is the truth. Oh no, that just stuck together. Oh, okay. We need this to be about right here. I know you're like, why don't you use the corner? Because I don't like to. That's why. Why? Because I can. Because this is the way I want to do it. So I'm going to use this just on the edge. I want this about right here. And see, this has no sticky. I mean, their first clings did not cling at all. So we're going to add some tear tape to it. That's my solution. It doesn't need to be permanent, and it won't be. It just needs to stick for the moment. That's all. Because remember, I'm going to be trimming the sides down. Sending lots of love. So, you know, I know this is supposed to be a Valentine's Day stamp, but for my purposes, it can be whatever I want it to be. And we are going to do this in Shaded Spruce. Now I'm going to purposely not ink it up like normal because we are going to ink it up again. So using my little dry erase board eraser. See, it didn't ink it up. That's okay because we're going to do it again now. Oh, I think we could use the leaves in Night of Navy even. Okay, we definitely need more ink. It could be because we're doing it on an envelope, but I'm going to turn it this way. And I can see right in here, it is really not stamping. So we're going to ink it up one more time. Just like that. And then I'm probably going to have to stand up. Or I'm just going to add more pressure right in there. And check it again. Yes, but I can see the S needs a little bit more, like up near there. And then I think I'll be happy with it. Okay, need to let it dry a minute. I'm not going to close it up because that would be a tragedy. It would get ink everywhere. So we know our card goes like this. We're going to stamp here. Oh, we don't need that, but we do need scratch paper because we're using red rubber stamps, and we have stamps that do not cling. So we have to use the little tear tape trick. So we want to put a little on that one, a little on this one. You could put the tape on the block however you want to do it. That's totally up to you. Normally when I do this, when I go to pull it off, the tape stays on the block, so. All right. We're going to do Consider Yourself Hugged right in the center. Where is my ink? Sticking to a block. That's all right. Do some green leaves. Now we're going to do some Night of Navy. If I can find the Night of Navy. I see Misty Moonlight. I see Calypso Coral. Where's the Night of Navy? Oh, we can solve that problem. I have Night of Navy right here. So we can use that one. I want that great big, this leaf. Ooh, inky, 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 inky. We need the Stampin' Pierce mat. Just do. You can see how it's uneven there. So we're going to ink that off and start again. I didn't like that, so we're just going to go for it again. That was me not hitting it right. There we go. Just a little bit of blue and the shaded spruce green together. All right. That's for our inside. Let's work with our envelope. So, just gonna huff on it. And our beautiful green leaf. And I think we have everything we need. Oh no, I do want to do, well, we got to trim this down some. So we need this to come down to 4 by 5 1/4. So, and I just need to keep this in the center. So I'm going to take this to 4 right off the top. That can be recycled. I don't need that. By 5 1/4. So we're going to take, right there, we're going to take that much off to 1/16 of an inch. Right, 2/16, so there's 1/4 inch off this end. So we need to get a 1/16 off this end and a 1/16 off of this end. So making sure we have it 4 by 5 1/4, and we do. Perfect. All of these are in recycle bin. And we're going to stamp the beautiful green leaf in the top corners. think we're going to do it up there too. Maybe here and here as well. Perfect. Yes, I'm so happy. So our envelope, our card, look at that. Beautiful card. Beautiful. Come on. It says, "Not today, ma'am. I am not playing today." And I'm saying, "Oh, please, please come and play with me today." This must be my other bottle that I haven't used. That is beautiful. Now, I'm not going to do any embellishments on this card. I like it that it is just the way it is. I'm going to do some Wink Estella down here on these leaves. The ones that I didn't stamp. The ones that are printed. And then I'm going to go make a salad. I have some really good barbecued chicken left over. And that's going in my salad. Oh no, I forgot I was hard boiling eggs in my little egg maker. I forgot all about it. I'm sure somebody in the house turned it off. They haven't come out to yell at me and saying, "Mom, you forgot to do this," or "Honey, you forgot, Allie." They just turned it off for me. I know. I forgot all about it. All right. So we have a little bit of sparkle and shine down here. No, it's not Christmas time anymore. We have a whole nother year. We have a whole year to go before Christmas time is upon us again. But I do so love that. So there you have it. Maybe some of you have lots of love. A different way to look at your Valentine stamps, right? So thanks for watching, everybody, and I do hope to see you all again soon here in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.